What's up? Been working on model cars since I think I was 10. I don't know, but yeah, my like, just like my third video. But yeah, this the Ford Ranger I'm working on. It ain't done, but I need to do door panels, finish up the frame. Most of it I built by myself. Well, I built the whole truck by myself, but some of the stuff I'm still working on. Like that right there, that gotta be covered up. All that, all these screws stuff, all this gonna get covered up. It's just a big heavy truck. So I gotta be bolted into some. But yeah, all the suspension work and everything. I also have all the Lambo doors work and everything. The doors work. They gonna get the whole truck gonna get repainted. It's gonna be the same color, but it's just gonna get repainted again. I gotta get all this off. I could have got it off yesterday. I just didn't get it off. But I also have another Hummer I'm working on. But I'll show you that. Working on the Hummer. All four doors open. It's just in the process of getting done. And then it's gonna get repainted and stuff too. Just like the Ranger. All suspension work, just like the Ranger. Got the back hatch. Front doors work too. You can see everything on the inside. It's been tubbed and everything.